Hello, my name is Jens, and today I want to show you another quick little recipe out of the book Sweet, and it's going to be the Flourless Chocolate tea cake. Let's get started. We start off with melting chocolate and butter together. While this is slowly melting, we're going to mix together in a separate bowl our sugar, amaretto, coffee, ground almonds, and our egg yolks. Keep the egg whites though. When this is combined, we add our chocolate to it and we make sure that there are no lumps left. Alright, next up we're going to whip up our egg whites. We're going to take the egg whites and the salt, we're going to put that into a tray. We're going to put it into our mixer and we whip it up on very high speed for about 1 minute. Then we're going to take the second half of our sugar and we're going to add that very slowly into the egg white, and we want to have a sort of light and dry, stiff egg white. Now we're going to take the egg white, we fold it into our cake mix. Very, very gentle, of course. After that, we let the cake mixture rest for about 1 hour, just so the almonds can absorb all that nice moisture. While the cake mix is resting now, we're going to clean our kitchen. We're going to preheat the oven. And we're going to grease our baking tin. Let's divide the mix equally into our cake tin. Cool, let's bake them. And since we are such a organized, professional, German, one-man production team, this is what I prepared earlier. Let's get straight on the ganache. Then we're going to take a saucepan. We're going to put our sugar and our glucose in it. We're going to put it on heat, and then we're going to look for a light amber color. The last step of the ganache is adding our butter bit by bit until it's smooth and shiny. Now we let it to cool down for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to put it on the cake. And this is it. This is another recipe out of the book Sweet. I hope you enjoyed this video from the Ottolenghi test kitchen. The Flourless Chocolate tea cake. Super delicious. I'm going to take these ones now to the bakers next door. I'm sure they will enjoy this one very much. Please let me know if you want to see any more videos of any baking, of course. And I'm more than happy to bake some more for you. let me know. See you next time. Tschüss!